Hello everyone. Today I'm Slesha here and I'm going to tell you that how can you add a full screen background image to your HTML page. So the image will be full screen and it will be acting as a background image of your website. So we'll be using the CSS in adding background image, and we'll be using internal CSS, means in the HTML page. So first add the style tag simply. If you want, you can use external CSS as well. You can use the CSS file and then you can link it to the HTML page as well. Now if you're using internal CSS, I have written a body and then background image, and then you have to write URL. And now here I'll be using an image from my desktop. So I am in Visual Studio Code. So what I can do is simply in my desktop, I can drag and drop the image. So this is the image which I will be adding in my background. So I'll type the URL which is written sunset in .jpg. So I'll write sunset.jpg. So don't forget to put the commas, and then you have to save it, and you have to write one more line of code which will be background, and you have to write size, and you have to write here cover, and then you have to save it, and then you can run it. And now you can see that the background image is added in our website. You can write anything and it will be over the background image. Like in body, if I write h1 and hello, and I can save it, and then you will see that this hello you can see over here. So you can write all your content above this image. So your background image is added and it's full screen. And thanks for watching my video, and that's all for today.